you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I've got a mini meat haul for you today. Now, I did have to go out shopping and buy a few things, but I just got my necessities. I'm going to show you that. Now, this is before the mega meat haul I'm going to show you. But first, I want to go to the food pantry, which will determine which meat pack I buy, okay? Because I want to see first what I'm going to get from the food pantry. Anyway, let's look at what I got for today. Starting from the left to the right, I have some pork steaks. I have 3 packs of them. Now, we already eaten one. I couldn't help myself. But this is being marinated for a barbecue I'm having today. So I did get 3 packs. They were only 5 something each. And you got 3 big pork steaks in each one. Look at that. It's under here. See that? I already froze them because I freeze everything to make sure it lasts. Then I got some Italian sausage, a huge pack. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them for $9.14. Yeah. Then I got, what is this? Oh, it's taco meat, steak taco meat. That was only $13, but we got the big thing of it, okay? That's the steak, you know, the good stuff. Now, I also got 2 big portobello mushroom caps because I like portobello mushrooms, especially on the grill. A portobello mushroom sandwich is to die for. Then I got some really thick, nice pork chops. These are great in the oven. You can stuff these or broil them. Oh, yes, yes. Then I got 2 cans of baked beans. I like to mix mine. I got the maple cured beans and the sweet onion. These 2 together are really good. Really good. Did you know you can even add meat to your beans and it can still be a side dish or it can be a main dish? Yeah. Now, a variety pack of pork chops. Let me see. This is a huge pack and I paid $9.99. Yeah. I got a huge pack of that. Those will be nice for the grill for later on. Then I got 2 small cabbages. I want to use one for coleslaw, the other for cooking. Then I have some mayonnaise. And I got, for spaghetti or Alfredo sauce, some Parmesan Romano cheese. Now, it's a pretty good haul. And oh, I got some what do you call those things? Black olives. I got a small tin of those. But how much do you think this cost me? Well, and I forgot to mention I got 2 gallons of water. Altogether, it did cost me $50. But I got a lot. And I got many things I can do many things with. Okay? So, when you're shopping, you want to say, well, I'll get the necessities, what I know I'm going to need and possibly won't get from a food pantry, and then wait and see what you get from the food pantry when you do your mega shopping. So anything that you did not get from the food pantry, go get from the store, okay? I hope this helps you guys out a bit. Now, today, I'm going to be a very busy uncle. I'm doing the backyard, and we're going to start working on that water fountain. Oh, the waterfall, excuse me. I can't wait. I'm so excited. All right. Like, comment, and subscribe. Pass me around to everybody. Buy me a cup of coffee. All right. Oh, write to me, Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef at gmail.com. I'm going to feature you guys' picks soon on the show. And yes, I'm working on that cookbook. It's driving me crazy, but I'm working on it. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.